welcome. You're watching Donbosco Media Network. This is Monali Sarambai presenting to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Tragic fire claims life of 4-year-old in Sasnyang village. HANM leaders request appointment of specialist doctors for West Khasi Hills. Meghalaya sends 82 youth to Northeast Youth Festival in Gangtok. Ribhoi district imposes ban on forest burning to prevent deforestation. And now the news in detail. On the night of 17th March, a devastating fire broke out in a house in Sasnyang village under Laskin Block, West Jayanta Hills district, claiming the life of a 4-year-old girl, Elisha Yakai. Her 11-year-old sister, Glorify Yakai, managed to survive the blaze. The children were at home with no adults present when the fire started. The cause of the fire is yet to be determined. Firefighters from Ralyang arrived at the scene but were unable to control the blaze due to strong winds that caused the flames to rise dramatically. Sadly, all belongings in the house were destroyed in the fire. The community is left mourning this tragic loss. Leaders of the Hnyutrap Achek National Movement HANM, including President Ba Gabriel Solang and General Secretary Ba Bankraman Kharbani, have raised concerns over the shortage of specialist doctors in West Khasi Hills. After receiving multiple public complaints about inadequate healthcare services, they met with Dr. Amprin Lingdor, the Minister of Health and Family Welfare, to address the issue. During the meeting, they urged for the appointment of more trained specialists in various medical fields to improve healthcare services in the region. The HANM leaders specifically emphasized the need to strengthen the Nostan Civil Hospital with specialized doctors to ensure better treatment for local residents.
National Movement West Khasi Hills District. Te hadin bangilayo yaga jingod jingnam jong ki paiba hangtei hapo West Khasi Hills na kajing dangduna ini ki specialist kumta ngi nagaliang jong kaseng ngila late yakando yo medical superintendent hangtei hapo West Khasi Hills hi but I lai jingod yangiru ba ban late approach siaga government but kumtahi ngila persyang ban bo ya kine kum orthopedic surgeon mo radiologist oncologist biochemist pathologist psychiatrist nangta obstetrician but gynecologist pediatrician te hagjing sisya hadu menta ngidon arngut kini ki gynecologist but ki pediatrician hangtei hapo West Khasi Hills non strike te nakada ko jing bombyang jong kini ki specialist mo babon na ki baduk hangtei hapo ga district ke jongi bapli ki lahaban one be Shillong ki haban be sha Guwahati mo bat kene kalawan ra ya ke jing ko ha khamtam ha kaliang jong ki baduk nangta kadon ruka traffic jam mo bad halor kini kidong rim ngiwan ban ya kendo ya I doktor amperin mantan ha kamera jongi ban ngila subit ya ganeka memorandum de nagaliang jongi I lakloi ban ya snok tilang ban punyo ya kini kijing don kam kijongi hangte hapo West Khasi Hills hanre kijing nagaliang jong I ong kumne ba hoi man kapor ngiju advertise ngiju khot ya kini ki doctors mo kibala don ka bond bat ka sarkar Donbosco na pring jongki kim Samla wan show siapo Khuborjylla lejong. Renagaliang jong imadam amparin rui long gupta ba man kapor hi ila jukhot phakot advertise mo badwan tray apo jongka jela lejong. Dan rei kecingek kedai kata ba bon haba ki khot advertise omdon ba wan ban tray apo Khuborjylla lejong. Tigai ka bangi kerpat nagaliang jongi keseng jongka nyautrap Aceh National Movement bat kumjuru jongka central body bro we ngi kerpat ya kini ki doctors jongi ki banapo Khuborjylla ba kinwan mo bat syakri lem ya paradok prasnam parajat penreu haganeka jela kejongi ka Khubor ka ba sultanat bangi mi nang mentan na ka.
The Meghalaya government, through the Directorate of Sport and Youth Affairs, has sent a contingent of 82 youths to participate in the Northeast Youth Festival, which is being held in Gangtok from 17th to 20th March. Among the participants, 57 are from Khasi and 25 from Garo Hills. The festival was inaugurated by the Governor of Sikkim, Om Prakash Mathur, in the presence of cabinet ministers, senior officers and a large crowd from Gangtok. The youths from Meghalaya will showcase their talents in various cultural and entertainment competitions, including dance, music, singing, quiz and one-act plays, representing the state's rich cultural heritage at the prominent event.
Let's welcome contingents from Meghalaya.
Manipur contingent leader, after report coming, I request contingent of Manipur to report. Manipur contingent, I request Manipur contingent to report immediately.
The District Magistrate of Rebhoi District, Abhilash Baranwal, has imposed Section 163 BNSS in the region to prohibit the burning of forests by individuals or groups. Addressing the media, Baranwal explained that the move aims to curb deforestation, which poses significant threats to human life, wildlife and the environment. He emphasized the importance of protecting the district's natural resources and highlighted that deforestation can have far-reaching negative impacts. Baranwal further stated that the district authorities have directed the Divisional Forest Officer (DFO), Social Forestry and the Soil and Water Conservation Department to ensure that village leaders are informed and take necessary actions to enforce the ban effectively.
Of forests in this dry season is a major problem faced by the district, as a result of which the district administration has issued an order under section 163 of the BNS, wherein we have prohibited all the deliberate burning of forests within the jurisdiction of the Khubor district. This we have done to protect forest regeneration, simultaneously to protect the lives of humans and wildlife, and simultaneously to prevent air pollution from taking place. The two departments which have been made responsible to enforce the same are the DFO, Social Forestry, as well as Soil and Water Conservation Office. However, we have also requested them to take all the local authority, that is the headmen and the Rangbashnongs of the village, into confidence. We appeal to all the headmen and the Rangbashnongs that they should cooperate with the district administration. They should take this issue seriously, and those people who are burning down the forest for whatever reasons, they should be, the headmen should inform the concerned authorities who are responsible for implementation of this order, and they should report to the local police as well. With the cooperation of the local authorities only, we hope that the forest fire burning can be controlled to some extent in order to protect the lives of humans and wildlife together.
On 18th March, leaders of the Federation of Khasi Jaintia and Garo People (FKJGP) Rimulyang Circle met with the executive engineer of MEPDCL Noston to raise concerns over the increased electricity bills and alleged cheating of households in the Rimulyang area. After the meeting, FKJGP President Ba Ser Bilan Lingdo stated that both the FKJGP and MEPDCL have agreed to resolve the issue of inflated bills affecting local residents. The leaders also urged the executive engineer to repair faulty transformers to prevent potential accidents and expedite electricity provision to households that have completed necessary documentation and payments. The EE assured that action would be taken against employees found guilty of taking money from families in Nongma Market and Kte Thawya.
Jungika FKJP Rimulyang Circle ada ngasih melawan ban ya kedua ya executive engineer jungka MEPDCL kalau kerja urging nam jungki pajak nong susunong jungka thai Rimulyang hibar kawai kalau sibun kiman mat kabanan tong kedai kerjing let thurmur jungka nek affairs ya ka Komisioner Belai. Hakaba kidon ki loyin ki badok ki basok. Mereka Belai jomki hakashi benai ka poi kidon teng ki poi lagi pro hajaru. Tinggal ekran ya kena kam akhamat jomu executive engineer bat naglem ku la Khubor bagane ka kam kade namar ka jing listing jomki netar rida Ulo pularu ban simkia ban kumbet ina kam nang ne sekmat bagan donbosco ka jingla thurmur ya terkom sinabilai nanta ka poin ka bahar ka bangilai ban ikren ka de jingsha ne thok jomki longyeng ha ka bay de bat ka jing connect lai kene ka de ka jingsha ne thok jomki katto ka de longyeng ha ka thai da ki view jom ka office jom ka ne ka office MEPDCL akaba kiwan lagi senong ditau akaba ki ong ba kin penle ya ka connection mat kilom ke bisa na kita gilongyeng ngayadian bagi na gilongyeng kila sio ka bisa iklam sa ken haka office tung kila itu tung kinong penon kamlai bil like jong kilo kam support bat hagane ka jing wan potno ya ka yaki toki longyeng na kajing kuna kini gelak kini yeng ki baca le thok na kila sa khetlang makiro na kalen tuni ngila penpau yang sukia ka bajur yang kamat mata da ki brio jong ka office kila thok ka dia ka kam ka ba kajing sha kam de ban jia kata ka de ka bang le kren ban na kalen jong uru keluar ba umsa pembet ene kam umsa khot ekren ya kita ki staff ki jungu ki badai banlai ene kam maka ka poin ka babut ha ka bangilayo man ekren ka de ka jing dom kam ban ker fencing no ki transformer ki badon ha ka thain kam tham ha ti thau yar para kan kam hor kum dom jaran ka mo thokra ka jiwi bisnom tena kalian jung ka office kalau keluar ba imsa persang ban penbiang ini jing dom kam berkhabar khadu ngilai ekren ha ka bede bat ka jing penyo like yang isnong di bawah badon like ada tiga tanya jungi untuk isnong lampi ke modern senam umpat yang isnong bersep buat kiwai isu tenat ba nakaliang jong executive engineer ulah penting ba kita isnong di dalam harga les mungkin sayo ya.
So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.